In today's video, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin futures, and this is actually the continuous contract. Now, recently we did fail after we got up to a 1618 extension that overlapped a 618 retracement back to that last high. But now the next question is, what's the next decision? Well, we have one coming up, and I'm going to show you how I've come up with it. It's pretty simple. I'm running the symmetry of this prior high to low swing, comparing that with the current decline. So basically this prior high to low, let's see, this was 644. This high to low is very similar at 633. So we have a symmetry projection that comes in. Then also we have a retracement of the prior low to high swing. So the 618 retracement overlaps that symmetry projection very well. Comes in at 111.80. And then there's also one more price relationship we can run here. Run this low to this high. Run the retracement. So we'll grab this low to this high. And then there's a 786 just underneath there. So we have a triple cluster that comes in from 111.56, and this is on the continuous contract Bitcoin futures, to 111.86. Okay, that is a setup decision. Now, I know that right now we are holding above this area, but I did go down to a 15-minute chart, and I looked to see if there's any buy trigger against it yet, and I don't have one. So what you have to know is that if we continue to hold above here and it triggers, you can take a trade and define risk underneath here. That's what, I like to look at, okay? But if we don't get a signal and we break that same support, you have to be prepared for a deeper downside correction. And even if you just got an extension of this low to this high, that would take you right down here, 104.93 area. Anyway, take it from one decision to the next. We are on top of a support decision. One of the videos that I had done last week was on the 120-minute chart where we had, I showed you the support on the 120. It hit, it held. It's not showing up right now because, I deleted it when we broke through it. But we initially held it. We rallied 345 off it. We basically got just short of the 1272 extension target on this chart. And now things have, shifted, okay? Because before you were seeing all these swings that were similar to each other, and that's what held up. But now we've broken that pattern because we've taken out this prior swing low. You've had a moving average crossover to the downside. Now with the next bigger decision coming from, like this swing and more, what I just showed you on the daily chart, we have to wait for another trigger. We might be holding above the support, but I don't have anything that tells me that you should place a bet just yet. So keep an eye on that. If it holds, we're going to look for another extension to the upside, but if we break underneath it, remember, be prepared for that deeper downside correction instead.